Is your dream college an IIM? Then you must have heard about Integrated Program for Management IPM, which is a 5-year course offered by several IIMs for students who have completed their class 12th. Now, to get into this program, you have to appear for an aptitude test, which is known as Integrated Program for Management Aptitude Test. This exam consists of mainly 3 sections. First, quantitative aptitude. Second, logical reasoning and data interpretation. And third, verbal reasoning. And to prepare you guys for this exam, we at Tarkashastra have come up with a 1-year comprehensive course which will be targeting all the IPMAT exams and BBA entrance examination for the year 2025. With Tarkashastra, you get live sessions in a hybrid mode so that you never miss a class. You also get online learning platform with AI-based study planner with sectional tests, class PPTs, challenger zone and much more. You also get full-length mock tests of all the IPMAT exams and several other BBA entrance examinations. And the most important thing, you get a mentor who will guide you till the end with one-to-one mentorship. So what are you waiting for? Enroll yourself with Tarkashastra for IPMAT and BBA entrance examinations and let's achieve your dreams together.